Here's how the game works. You set our deck of cards face down and take turns drawing. There are 4 types of cards you can draw. Bitcoin cards representing values from 0 to 100k, reverse market cards that change the direction of the market at your will, cash out cards which force your opponent to pick up the entire pile, and pop cards which end the game after all 3 have been drawn from the deck. Each player takes turns playing cards in the direction of the market. If they cannot match or beat the market price, then they have to pick up the entire pile into their hands. Unless they have a reverse market card which allows them to change the direction of the market, or if they have a cash out card, they can cash out of their current turn and cause the next player to pick up the pile instead. Unless that person also has a cash out card, in which case the pile is killed and removed from the game. The game is over when all 3 pop cards have been drawn from the deck, and whoever has the least amount of Bitcoin in their hands is the winner.